Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you check out the network statistics in the AppLock application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your screen and select there the second option, which is the tools section. And after you have done that, you should press here on the third option, which is network statistics. And here you can see that by default we are in the total section where you can see all of your data usage. Now this is combined from the Wi-Fi and network. You can check out them separately. In this case I don't have any network usage. All of the data comes from the Wi-Fi. And in the total section you can just scroll down and see the apps that use the most data. Now those apps are going to be the apps that you use constantly and regularly. In my case it's YouTube, Facebook and Chrome mostly. And if you scroll down you can see also the other apps, how much they use. So basically this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.